Your spacious living area, your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Om Nandanvan by Oscar Infrastructure located in Mulund. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project where you can have a look at the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the right of the project, you can go towards Mulund railway station and you can see the project is located right opposite Ammaji Dham temple. And from the left, you can go towards LBS Marg. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developers through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acre that will have one tower of ground plus 21 story. You can see almost 75% of the construction is completed. Also, this project will have 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences along with Jodi options available. Speaking of amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities that will include a gym, clubhouse, meeting rooms, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at MG Road opposite to Ammaji Dham Temple, Mulund, from where you have Mulund railway station at a distance of 1 kilometer, LBS Marg is at a distance of 2 minutes, Eastern Express Highway is at a distance of 5 to 8 minute drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are entering your 3 BHK of the residential project Om Nandanvan. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1123 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living area where you can easily place a two-side sofa. Along with your center table, you can also customize your TV unit. You can have a look how spacious your living area is. You can have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Also, in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. You can see your balcony is very spacious. You can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy time with your friends and family. Moving forward, as we move forward, over here you will have your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here we have your kitchen space where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can see you have walkable space in the kitchen as well, and right at the entrance you have space provided in both the corners, so you can build an extra unit or you can place your refrigerator. And also you have a dryer space provided attached to your kitchen where you also have ventilation windows provided. And now let's move forward and have a look at all the bedrooms. First, over here we have your first bedroom that you can customize as your kid's bedroom. You can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can customize it by your choice. You have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can design your wardrobe in this corner. Also, you will be getting full French windows with the railing provided in this bedroom. And this bedroom has a private washroom as well that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Now, as we move forward over here in this corner, you will be getting a powder washroom. It is locked for now, but you will have your powder washroom in this corner. And over here is the entrance of your second bedroom. You can see you have a foyer area at the entrance that will give your bedroom privacy. You can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space in this bedroom. You can also customize a beautiful seating corner if you wish to. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your beautiful wardrobe in this corner, and in this bedroom again, you will be getting full French windows with railing provided for safety and beautiful standing balcony view. And moving forward, right toward the near of the entrance of this bedroom, you have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours to give you actual location tours. We tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. As we enter your master bedroom, this over here is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can also have a look how spacious your wardrobe is, as it has great depth. You can also build lofts if you wish to. And in this master bedroom again, you will be getting French windows along with railing provided for safety and standing balcony views. And over here in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Om Nandanvan. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Om Nandanvan by Oscar Infrastructure located in Mulund.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.